Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching today. I'm going to be showing you all the things in this brand new Sephora Favorites kit. This is the Fresh Face Reset Sephora's Favorite Kit, and this one is a $45 bag, but the value is huge. The value is $148. You get a few full-size products in here plus deluxe size samples, which is basically almost like a full-size product if you want to be technical. Not really, but you know. This one is so good. I forced my boyfriend, who was sitting right there, to buy this for me because I had to have it, and well, I didn't force him, but you guys know what I mean. So I'm excited to get into this and show you everything that comes in this set. I will have it linked below if you guys want to purchase as well, but this one is probably the best Sephora set that they have had in a very long time. So if you guys are into these types of videos from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, and sometimes I play with makeup and put it on my face and buy Sephora Favorites kits, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already watching this video, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Before we get started, I do want to mention really quick that I do have a giveaway going on right now. I'm giving away a bunch of Jeffree Star products, so if you guys want to enter, I will have it linked down below, so definitely go check that out. But yeah, let's get on with the Sephora's Favorites. Okay, so let's just pull this little sleeve off, which shows the products and what is full size and whatnot, and let's get into all of the items. So first item right away is this bag, which is super cute. Obviously it holds a good amount of products, and it has like that, I don't know, that like weird texture. I don't even know how to explain it, so I'm not even gonna go there. It feels cheap, but also like pretty hearty and thick, if that makes sense. So the very first product I am very excited about is this Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, the Party All Night Stay All Day spray from Charlotte Tilbury. Oh my goodness, it primes and sets for up to 16 hours. Instantly lock in your look for makeup magic that looks just applied. This one's like as big as like a drugstore bottle, so that's why I feel like when it comes to the deluxe size samples, this seems like a full size to me, only because I have had several sprays that are full size that are this big. So I want to just, let's get it. Yeah. Oh, and it has such a lovely scent. This, by the way, let me just get the price of this. This is like 20 bucks, I think, just for this size alone. Yeah, this size right here is $20 for the 34 milliliters, and for the 100 milliliter, it's 35. So this here is 20, and it's paying for almost all of the bag. Not really. The bag's 45, but it's paying for just about half of it. And then we have another product here, which is full size. This is from Benefit Cosmetics, which I love Benefit. This is their roller liner eyeliner, and this is the shade brown. So this is what the product looks like, and I absolutely love the like cap. Super cute. Let me give you a swatch. So it's brown, like a nice dark brown that you can also get away with using it if you need a black, because it's pretty dark, but it's brown. Still is pretty dark. So I'm like, that's really, really cool. So this full-size product, let's see, how much does this baby cost here? This is $22, so this pretty much pays for the whole entire Sephora Favorite set. We love that. We love getting a good deal. Next up, we have this little Rare Beauty primer. So this is the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer Base, which I've heard this one's pretty good. So I'm gonna give it a nice little swatch for you guys so you can see how illuminating it is. Let me just show you the product. There's the bottle. Here's the product right here. And let's just rub it in. I love an illuminating primer. I just like being very glowy. I didn't rub it in all the way, so you can kind of still see it. And it has a nice light scent as well. We love that. Full size of this product is $26, so this is probably, I don't know, we'll just say like 8 bucks or something. And then we have a little product here from Ilia. This is the Balmy Gloss Tinted Lip Oil. This is such a gorgeous shade. So since this is a lip oil, it's not gonna have like the most intense color payoff, so it should coat the lips, but this looks kind of thick. So it's probably going to have a nice color to it. Oh yeah, this is super pretty. Definitely very wearable. We love that color. And I don't think I smell any scent. I'm really just smelling the primer right now. So that is nice to have. And the full size of this is $26, so we love the mini for sure. Then we have another full-size product. This is from Iconic London, and the full size retails for $25. It's their Sheer Bronze Liquid Bronzer, and this is in the shade Caramel Glow. So this is a liquid bronzer. This is going to be a very fun product for me to test out and try. So let me just, I'll throw it right there on top of that. Oh boy. I wonder if this is going to be too dark for me. I should do like a full try on of these products. It's definitely got kind of a, I don't even know what kind of undertone, but it's very warm. Very warm. Don't know if I'm going to be able to get away with this shade, but I'm going to definitely give it a try. It definitely seems to be covering up my eyeliner pretty well, so yeah, but it feels nice and like almost serumy, like this is going to blend into the skin really nicely. But right now it is kind of looking a little patchy, but I did put like a ton on the back of my hand. I don't know, we'll have to see. It looks a little intense right now. Okay, next product that I'm pulling out is the ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. This is the Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. I actually have this in a full size, so I'm not going to open this right now so I can, like, you know, hold in the goodness of it. But I do like this. This is a really good mascara. Let me show you the full size. Here is the full size, and this is what the wand looks like. It's kind of like the Better Than Sex mascara, but better, because I don't like that mascara. So yeah, this is a really good mascara, especially with blending your false lashes and your real lashes together. And the full size of that mascara retails for $25. We also have two more, technically, full-size products. We have this Patrick Ta brow product, and then the brush, which this product retails for $22, and then the brush is $18, so that's a lot of money. Here we have the brush, which is just your basic little angled brush, and spoolie for the product, which is going to be nice. I'm excited to try this. It's just kind of like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze, which is a very hard product for me to use, if I'm being completely honest. But I'm trying to, you know, venture out and do new products and stuff, try new products. But this is the gel. Let me just feel how balmy it is. It's definitely pretty hard. It's gonna definitely take some getting used to. How many times am I gonna say definitely? But yeah, I'm gonna have to get some like used to-ness out of this. So does that make any sense? No. But anyways, then we have one more product in here, and it's from Tarte, and this is like one product that I was gonna buy like full size, but I have one of the sample deluxe size. This is the Breezy Cream Blush in Peach Sunset. Here is the packaging, and I do say, even though this isn't a full size, you're getting a heck of a lot of product in here. Like, this is a good amount of product, especially for someone like me who owns like a million things that will just never go through the whole entire container ever in its lifetime. But full size of this is $27, and the mini size retails for $14, which is actually a good price. It's very creamy. So let me go ahead and get a nice swatch. Very beautiful color. Ooh, okay, I really like this color. So let's just blend it out some. It's going to be really pretty. We actually really like this color. I don't think it has a scent either. So for $45, I think I absolutely got my money's worth. We got some really great products. The only products I feel out of all of this is going to be a miss for me is this, because it's not going to be my shade. But we're gonna test it. We're gonna play with it. We're gonna figure things out with it, just because I'm very interested in a liquid bronzer. That is just so strange to me. So I'm going to try this out, and we're just gonna see what works. Okay, but everything else is actually phenomenal. You got a great deal. It's like, hello, you get a bunch of products that are like really good, and you're only paying $45, which is spectacular. So I think I got a great buy. Chris, did I get a good buy?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, so let me know what your favorite product out of this whole set is down in the comments below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.